So once you open up Canva, we have different options that we can use. We can use the Instagram post option, the doc, the whiteboard, and so on. But what we're looking for is the video option here. So we're going to select it. And then you can choose the resolution that you want to use. I'm going to use mobile video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop the images into the canvas. So here's an image. I'm simply going to drag it and drop it here. Then what you're going to do after you've entered in the image, you're going to select the image, right click, and make sure that you select show element timing. This is going to show you the timing of the image above. Then you're going to add in a second page. Then you're going to add in another image and drag it and drop it, and then do the same thing. I'm going to add in a third image, drag and drop it here. So if I play the video, it's going to show you when the video is going to change to a different image. But as you can see here, it's quite static. There's not really much movement in the video. So what we need to do is we need to add in some sort of transition. So I'll select the first image, then go to the top here and select animate. Scroll down, and then you can choose different transitions that you can use. There was photo zoom, photo rise, photo flow. I'm going to use photo zoom. And I'm going to select apply to all pages. And it says animation apply to all pages. So if I try to play the video again, you'll notice that the images move. So that's pretty cool. If you want to increase or decrease the duration of the video, you're going to go to the bottom here, select duration. If you want the video to be shorter, then what you're going to do is you're going to select the first image like this. Then go here where the timeline is and you're going to reduce it, such as so. Then you're also going to reduce the image length. And do so with the second image. And the third image. So let's see how it looks. And there you go.